Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. Today you will learn 10 English words with 3 different meanings each. Learning these words will improve your vocabulary and help you understand English more easily. Watch till the end and test yourself with the quiz. Let's begin. First word is light. The light is very bright. Second word is this bag is light. Third word is please light the candle. First word meaning is brightness. Second is not heavy. And third is set on fire. Second word is bat. The bat is flying at night. Second is he hit the ball with a bat. And third is don't bat your eyes so quickly. So meaning is first word meaning is animal, second is sports equipment, and third is move your eyelids. Third word is watch. I wear a watch every day. Second is watch the teacher carefully, and third is the night watch starts at 10 p.m. First word meaning is timepiece, second is look at, and third is guard or duty. Fourth word is ring. She wears a gold ring. Second is I heard the ring of the bell. And third is please ring me tonight. First word meaning is jewelry, second is sound, and third is call someone. Fifth word is park. We played in the park. Second is park your car here, and third is the safari park has many animals. First word is public garden, second is leave a vehicle, and third is protected area. Sixth word can. I can swim. Second is open the can of juice, and third is can you help me? First word meaning is ability, second is metal container, and third is request. Seventh word is match. First sentence is India won the match. Second is this shirt matches my shoes, and third is use a match to light the candle. First word meaning is game, second is go well together, and third is matchstick. Eighth word is spring. Spring is my favorite season. Second is the cat can spring high, and third is water comes from the spring. First word meaning is season, second is jump, and third is natural water source. Ninth, point. He scored 1 point. Second, please point at the picture, and third is that's a good point. First word meaning is mark or score, second is show with your finger, and third is idea. 10th word meaning is I deposited money in the bank. Second is we sat on the river bank, and third is the plane banked to the left. First word meaning is financial institution, second is side of a river, and third is turned while playing. Quiz. Question number 1. What does light means in? This bag is light. Second question. Which bag flies at night? Third is what is a watch used for? Fourth, which ring do you wear on your finger? Fifth, where do children play? A park or a bank? Sixth, what does can mean in I can dance? Seventh question is what do you use to light a candle? A match or a ring? Eighth question, which spring is a season? Ninth, what does point mean in? That's a good point. And 10th, where do you keep your money? A bank or a park? How many answers did you get right? Comment your score out of 10 and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.